Namaste to one and all. Welcome to my channel. This video is about updated FAQs and answers of CBSE 10th standard assessment and their result. First of all, I am thanking Dr. Sanyam Bharadwaj sir and the team who are making a great effort to do this upcoming of the result for the 10th standard in this pandemic. Thank you sir and your team. Yes, first of all, you can see the question. Say the reference year is 2018-19 when there was no bifurcation of standard and basic maths. During moderation, how can we give benefit to the students who have opted for basic maths? That is, the bifurcation started only in 2019-20. So, if the reference year is 2018-19, how the mark can be distributed? How it can be opted? And so the answer is that as basic maths it is only available for 2019-20, 2019-20 will be taken as base year for the basic maths. If the school where the reference year is other than 2019-20, so this is 19-20, it is easier that this 19-20 there is the basic maths and standard maths. Both differences are there, bifurcation is there. Suppose it's not there, if this is not the base year, the school where the reference year is other than 2019-20, what we can do? The two options have been given. The schools where the reference year is other than 2019-20, following two options are available. What are they? First one, based on the average marks of mathematics basics in 2019-20, marks of mathematics basics for 2020-21 will be calculated. So the present year basic maths marks will be calculated on the basis of the average marks of mathematics basics in 2019-20. And the marks of mathematics standard shall be awarded in such a manner that overall average of both mathematics standard and mathematics basic for 2020-21 is up to the average of mathematics in the reference year. So when the marks are allotted, the marks of mathematics standard shall be awarded in such a manner that overall average of both, what are the both? Mathematics standard and mathematics basics for 2020-21 is up to the average of, what is the average given to the mathematics in the reference year? Reference year other than 2019-20, we can see that this average of mathematics in the reference year should be up to that level. Suppose it is 54.4, the average of mathematics in the reference year should come. It should be in accordance with the overall average of both standard maths and basic maths should comfortably align with or up to the level of average of mathematics in the reference year. So this is a case where is other than, the reference year is other than 2019-20. If the reference year is 2019-20, already we are having the reference year, because that year the basics and standard maths, the bifurcation started. So if other than 2019-20, this is the thing, the overall average mark, overall average of both mathematics standard and mathematics basics for 2020-21 should be taken, and it is limited by up to the average of mathematics in the reference year. Another option is also given here. The overall average marks of students of mathematics basics and mathematics standard in 2020-21 taken together will be up to the average marks of mathematics of the reference year. Overall average marks of the students of mathematics basics and mathematics standard in 2020-21 taken together will be up to the average marks of the mathematics of the reference year. Yes. The second question is that my school reference year is 2017-18, that is other than 2019-20. For mathematics basics, CBSE directed to use 2019-20 as reference year. How to award the marks in 2020-21? It is further clarified that If the reference year is other than 2020, that is 2019-20, that is 2018 or 2019, then the overall average of maths basics and math standard together for 2020-21 should be up to the average of mathematics of the reference year. The same reply for the different type of question. That is their average, their basic reference year is, their reference year is different than this 2017-18. So what should be the same answer? That means they can take the reference year, the overall average of basic maths and overall average of standard maths together for 2020-21, and it should be up to the average of mathematics reference year. In this case, reference year is 2017-18. Then third question is, my school has sponsored. Then the third question is, my school has sponsored students for the class 10 for the first time in 2020-21. How to award marks in 2020-21 as we have students both in the maths standard and maths basic. I have been provided data of district level, state level and the national level. The reply is that you may select the reference year amongst the district, state and national level data. So there could be following two possibilities. What are the two possibilities? Your selected reference year is other than 2019-20 or your selected reference year is 2019-20. In both the cases, following action may be taken. That is, if the reference year is 2019-20 or the reference year is selected as 2019-20, other than 2019-20 or the reference year is 2019-20, this both the cases following action may be taken. What are they? For the math standard, use subject average of the reference year. For math standard, subject average of the reference year, and for maths basic, use the reference year as 2019-20. So for maths standard, use a subject average of the reference year. Subject average of the reference year. Whatever is a subject, whatever is a reference year, subject average, that should be taken into account. And for maths basics, use the reference year as 2019-20. So thereafter, the overall average of maths standard and maths basics combined together for 2020-21 should be up to the average of mathematics of the reference year. So thereafter, overall average of mathematics standard and mathematics basic combined together for 2020-21 should be up to the average marks of mathematics of reference. Fourth question is here. There is a case where in school having reference year other than 2020, range of marks distribution is not available. That we know the marks distribution pattern is not available for basic maths. So what range of distribution of marks would be considered for the mathematics basics? So a pattern of distribution pattern is given by the CBSE. So it is not available for mathematics basic other than the 2020. What should be done? In such cases, school has to keep in mind the actual performance of the students. So in such case, so no mark pattern of distribution is given, not there. So such cases, school has to keep in mind the actual performance of the students and finalizing the marks. It has to be ensured that students of both mathematics basics and standard combined together are coming in the range as given in the reference year. So when you are combining both mathematics reference and basics, it should come in the range as given by the reference year. So as it is not available, this way you have to combine and take the range what is given in the reference year. So the overall average of mathematics standard and mathematics basics combined together for 2020-21 should be up to the average of mathematics reference year. Here also it should go in align with the what is the average of mathematics or the reference year. So few more questions are given in that in this FAQs. Answers are given by the CBSE. So that I will continue in the next video. As majority are waiting for the solutions for basic maths and standard maths, this much I am posting now.